I'm on the road with my gal. Say hello, Shy. Hello. Ah, you guys get a hello. You guys, me and my girl on the road. We've been doing so many stops. I don't even remember some of the places we went to. But guess where I'm going, you guys? I'm going to Starbucks. I'm going to the dream spot that I see everybody go to. Hi guys, look who have abandoned you guys since we're on vacation. Look. Living his best vacation life. Look at him. Look at him. Okay, he has abandoned you guys. You guys haven't seen him since we got to New Jersey. Have you? Have you? Look at him. Just look at him. Peace? You're having so much peace? Huh? Olivia, your breakfast is ready. Go to mama. Go to mama for breakfast. Go on. Go for breakfast, Liv. You're just relaxing? Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's another day here on vacation. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. The neighbor is cutting his lawn, and it's so loud outside.
I can't even understand what you're saying because you're talking so fast.
Say hello to Faves. Say hello to Faves.
Wagwan.
And you asked me where Sarah is? Somewhere with his uncle inside and his cousin Connor Banana. You guys, it's another day. What did I do this morning? I woke up and Sarah asked me for porridge. Mama, porridge please. So Sarah had porridge, made porridge for the fam bam. They all had porridge, and today I think we're just gonna chill and do, I won't tell you guys what we're gonna do. You guys gonna have to stick around and see, but we have something fun planned for later. It's a little bit cloudy here in Jersey, but you can still feel the warmth. I'm also making crepe, y'all. Y'all know that I have to make crepe for the fam bam.
Yeah.
So I'm making crepe, but you guys don't worry. You guys gonna get the recipe when I get back to France. I'll make it and put it on my food channel, but I don't in the mood to film food videos right now, so you guys will get it when I reach back to France. But I'm making crepes, so you guys will see that, and then carry you guys throughout the rest of our day. So it's just day 2 here, and yeah, we're chilling. So that's what we're up to. Say morning. Good morning. Anyway, you guys, we'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today, and you guys will see the rest of the fam bam. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and subscribe if you're new to the family. My nephew, you guys, tell me my nephew is not as cute as a button. Look how cute he is. No, don't push Sarah. Don't push my chair. Hi, nephew. He's so adorable. Hi, nephew. Give auntie the ball. Oh, you're giving me the rubber instead. Connor, why the rubber so wet? Connor, why is the rubber so wet? Come here, bow legs. It's warm, don't it? What was he doing? Tyler, come here. Tell Fibs what happened to you this morning. Yeah, one teeth. You guys, look how international is Tyler's tooth. Tyler's tooth fell out. One of Tyler's tooth fell out in Netherlands last year, and another one fell out in New Jersey this year. Sarah, come here. Say good morning to the Fibs. And that's my niece, Olivia. Olivia, Liv, say hello. Livy, come here. Look what's happening outside, you guys. They're pushing his niece in the little car. Crepe is going down. Yes. Can you believe that the batter is almost finished? Almost finishing the pot, and only one remain. The whole fam bam been just eating non-stop. Look at them down there. Playing games. Look at them. They're all playing games. Sorry, I want to sleep. Sorry, I'm gonna fall asleep in a minute. Hi you guys, I'm on the road with my gal. Say hello, Shy.
Hello.
Ah, you guys get a hello. You guys, me and my girl on the road. We've been doing so many stops. I don't even remember some of the places we went to. But guess where I'm going, you guys? I'm going to Starbucks. I'm going to the dream spot that I see everybody go to. We have Starbucks in France, but I don't know what to order. It's not just going to a Starbucks. You have to go to the drive-thru, to the window, okay? You have to go to the drive-thru and order like how the Americans order. You want this pump of that, you want a little of this and that. So my experience with Starbucks when I was in USA a few years ago, long time ago, probably like 2001. I don't remember. I was 3 months pregnant with Ty at the time, and I tried Starbucks, and the experience was the worst experience in life. But Anika is a big fan of Starbucks. Anika, how much time for the week you have Starbucks?
Talk about it.
She said she can't talk about it. She's a Starbucks addict. Everywhere in Anika house, there's a Starbucks cup somewhere. I promise you that. So I know that she's a big fan of the Danish, and I tasted it a few years ago and it tastes so good. So I want that. And Anika gonna have to, so the coffee you're gonna choose from is gonna be hot or cold?
It depends. What do you want?
It depends.
Hot or cold?
Right now, me just have something nice for this. Coffee. Coffee. Me don't want no juice. I don't want the pink juice like the juice that you always take. I need a nice coffee. Like when you go to the coffee machine and you have a nice cappuccino, French vanilla.
So you want something hot?
Yes. Yes, like that. Yes, something hot. Yes. So I remember I think it's French vanilla, something I took when I went years ago, and it was terrible. But I guess maybe because I didn't tell them what to put in, and it was just a mess. So let's go to Starbucks and see what the experience is gonna be like. So Starbucks, here we go. Here we come. Starbucks, check out my list. And no babe, I'm not carrying back any at home for you. I'm gonna make sure I eat it before I reach home. None. I carry back none for babe. After they eat off all the 20 crib that I made this morning. Anyway guys, we're gonna Starbucks. Starbucks, hey girl, hey. Don't mind me, I'm just excited.
Into a grande caramel macchiato iced.
A grande caramel macchiato ice.
Yes, could you add extra caramel sauce?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Extra caramel with whip.
Oh yeah, you got it.
And then I'll do a venti caramel macchiato iced as well with whip.
Okay.
And then I'll do a Trenta strawberry acai, no scoop strawberries, no ice.
Oh, you got it. Love y'all.
That is it, thank you.
Okay, so it comes out to 33.11.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, I got my order. I got my Starbucks. And let me tell you, I was enjoying it so much that I forget to film my initial reaction. When you go to Starbucks with the real OG and they order what they know they need to order, it tastes so good. So I had, for all the US people, let me tell you what I had. I had caramel macchiato, is that? Caramel macchiato with an extra pump of caramel, and it is so good. So mission accomplished. My first mission on vacation accomplished, and I'm having cheese Danish, warm, and it tastes so good. I don't know if by the time I reach at the house, any of the iced coffee will remain for babe to taste it, but honey, if it doesn't, then too bad, you'll taste it next time. But I'm excited, you guys. Finally, I'm living my Starbucks dream. You know, when I go back to France, I can finally go Starbucks and order. Yes, girl. Anyway, guys, I'm heading back home right now to the Bam Bam. Guys, it's food time. My sister-in-law ordered barbecue, lots and lots of barbecue food. So we're outside having barbecue, and then we're gonna jump in that pool. So we have all this food here. You have shrimp and what is in here? Nuggets. You have the ribs here. You have chicken here. You have more chicken here. Oh my god! And more food to come. For the pool, honey. We all gonna take a dip in the pool. So I'm tying up my hair. Ready?
Ready?
Leave, ready? Ready? Tie up, put this on the inside. Oh! Pool fun. Pool excitement. Lead over there. Niece and Ty's here, Papa over there, Sarah, sister-in-law Nevis here. We had barbecue. Barbecue was so good, but I couldn't eat too much. I was full. And now we're chilling at the pool to finish off the evening. Fireworks everywhere. You guys, there's fireworks everywhere. Today is the 3rd of July, I guess that's the US spirit of independence approaching. And we're here watching it, but look who is
here.
look who is afraid. Sarah is afraid. I can hear that one, but I can't see it. Wow, look! Look, Sarah, look! Whoa! Whoa!
That's one.
Sarah, look, Sarah! Look! Oh my god, you got is there a Sarah, look! Sarah, guys, we are living the American dream on this vacation. The American dream, that's what I should call it. I don't know if that's what it is, but anyway, we're having such a good time here in New Jersey. It's day what? I don't know how much I should call it. Day three. But anyway, we're having such a good time. Today is the 3rd while I'm filming this, so there are fireworks going off because of tomorrow, the 4th of July. And I always tell my brother and my sister-in-law that I want to experience as much USA holidays throughout my lifetime, because I think just that people in USA just celebrates different and have a whole vibe in comparison to like my France experience and other places that I've gone to. I want to experience so many cultural differences. I just think it's beautiful, the way and the passion that the US people have when it comes to July 4th. It's just amazing to see all the fireworks just going off already, and today is the 3rd. Sarah is definitely not a fan of the fireworks, but let's see if she'll warm up to it by tomorrow, which is the 4th, and I'll definitely vlog, so you guys come back tomorrow to make sure that you see what we'll be up to for the 4th of July. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog. We have such an amazing afternoon at the pool, especially the kids. They're all drained and most of them are in bed. I think only Tyler is up right now playing domino with my sister-in-law, babe, and my brother, and while I'm here working so I can push out content for you guys. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the bits and pieces that we have showing you throughout this vacation, and it's just getting started. We have so much planned, so much to execute, but little by little we'll get through it. So love you guys, enjoy the vlog. Hope you guys enjoy it as much as we did, and you can feel the vacation vibe through our lenses. Catch up and keep up, stick and stay, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.